Okay, let's take a look at what we can do with Flourish. Flourish is another online free platform for data visualization, and if you're anything like me, you could get lost staring at this animation for pretty much the whole rest of the day. All right, so let's dig in. I did have to create a login and verified my email address so that I could publish the visualizations that I create. It brings you to your projects page, and this is where the individual projects stack up. And I just point this out because you can create stories as well. So let's create a new visualization. And here you can see the options for choosing different templates, and they are pretty complex. A lot of options here that are pretty exciting, but for comparison, we're going to stick with ye old bar chart. Okay, so they've got an auto-loaded data set, but we're going to obviously bring in our own data. And I'm going to go back and use that same EPA CSV file of measured chemicals. Okay, and here's the preview of the data set. Same data that we were working with earlier. This has a facility name. We've got the industry sector, the type of chemical, information about clean air, carcinogens, and then the total releases. And right here on the data page is where we set the columns that we're going to be displaying. And so again, because we're doing bar charts, we want to, we're going to have a categorical and continuous value. And the value is going to be our total releases. That's column AE. And let's look at the total releases of different chemicals. That would be field Q. Okay, and down here it's going to show us a preview. So we can see that we've got our different chemicals, and then we preview that over here. So copper compounds, chlorine, zinc compounds, arsenic compounds. So as opposed to with data wrapper, where we had copper compounds listed on several different lines, Flourish is doing the amalgamation for us. They're summing and collapsing those fields together for us. And then all the different controls that you could ever imagine are over here: color, labeling, axes, controls, pop-ups, legends, etc. Okay, so to export and publish, there are a lot of different options. We can publish this, make it public, and then we can get an embed code and put it on a story map or a website. We can download an image or the HTML for it. And coolest of all, we can add it to a Canva presentation. So there's an automatic link with Canva, which is really handy. I think that's just about it. We have some of the same features over here where we can preview what it would look like on a phone or an app. And then this is the story that I was telling you about. We can create a visualization of multiple different graphics that we've created and pull them from our project page. Okay, that's it.